Hello and welcome in Meonlawel dev. Let's do a quick test if everything works. So I will spread the news on the Twitter. So yeah, happy Halloween everyone. Go fine. Okay, so plan for today, for now at least, because I don't know if I'm going to finish everything, is to work on BiteMapper, setting default colors. That's the whole description. I already thought about it, how to do it, and I need it in order to make nice levels, to create more levels for symmetry location. So I work on symmetry location, but to create different daytimes, I need just more easier, not more, easier functionality to be able to change tile colors. So I guess this is maybe not the best idea because it's not fully automated, but it should be fine still to just always set the default color based on the one which is already set and put it in any location for each consecutive tile I want. Maybe then I will add a functionality to draw all tiles, but now I can do it one by one. That's also fine. That's the plan. Okay. So, when you're building the levels, we recognize the screen. Is daytime. It's painful. Okay, I will show you how painful it is. Also, I have to see it for myself. So this is the editor and how I'm working on these locations. So this is fine, yeah, but for the daytime. But if I want to switch for dawn, for example, these colors are different than in the palette. So if I will load the default colors. Oh, I can also, I should also copy it exactly from the existing list, not from the one which is for the day, which is loaded. So if I load it down, but I want to use the night colors, for example, then I should be able just to now press D letter, and then the default colors of this title should be copied from the other place. So that's the plan. Okay. So it sounds like it's easy, and I should do it in just an hour. So, but I probably am going to spend a lot of time on this. But let's try to make it as quick as possible. So conclusion: use D to add default color. You can default color by pressing enter. Ah, okay. So this is actually going to the mode. So this is not by pressing the D letter. Maybe I could do it by pressing the D letter, that I don't have to go to this mode. Maybe that would be better. Or is it the mode a better option? Because if I want to change just the one... Yeah, maybe I'll add this actually. Oh, and this is actually want to adjust everything. Yeah, maybe that would be safe actually to be in this mode, because then when I press D accidentally, nothing will change in the edit, I guess. Okay, so I have to follow the same way as I did it for another field, which was another option, which was for the fields. It was F. Okay. I will just use the same functionality as much as I can. The key lock. Okay. And now let's search for F key lock. DC the key lock. Okay, and now I have to just change the mapping because it's not this. It's not for the D letter, F letter I mean, but for D letter. So this is the map, so byte for 0, this is 0 will be which letter? D. 2, 2. Okay, so this is for these 2, 2. And that's all I need. I created this macro some time ago. So now I should be able to switch. And now... Oh, okay. I should actually copy this. I don't know why I used another one. That actually EXD key pressed. Go back to level screen indeed. Otherwise, I think I'm missing still, because this is for release check. Maybe actually I could simplify it, but now I need this. That was 2.5, 5. this one. I need to do the same for D. Maybe here doesn't matter. Here D pressed, perform. Default color edit. Yeah, default color edit, I don't know. Maybe set default tile color edit mode. Switch to pass field screen, switch to, we need this one. Switch to set default tile color green. And I just need to tile color like this. So go with that. Why this is set to 0, I don't know. Request to render pass fields mode. So I don't need to request to render anything. And active pass field screen. That will change to active default colors. Default tile colors screen, let's say, which is more a mode rather than a field, but that's fine. So I don't need this. Compile, I don't need. Okay. I would need probably to do some math. I don't need this, I think. Maybe I will use it. And submit this. Render pass fields on level screen. We don't need to do this. This command will change. So let's remove it. Tile color. Okay, stuff like that, and then active screen. So from there we will follow. So first of all, controls finished. This could actually RTS, I think, because you don't want to combine it, I guess. Yeah, I think no need to return here, and then we don't need this. Ah, okay, there's LDA. Maybe that's complex. Because there will be LDA anyway. This doesn't really makes it really slower. Where was this constant? Here. Okay. So I'm comparing with this one. If not, then keep. Otherwise, display current tile info. That's interesting. Do I need to do it? Maybe I have to. And that's all actually. Okay, and there is this one, redraw tile screen. Refresh tile screen after getting back from the edited tile. So I don't need to request that. In this case, set cursor on level screen. Okay, this one I will need. Okay. So I think I need to do it also here. Maybe I should use the flags then instead of 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's say that it's okay, but it's getting hairy. Okay, that's actually maybe something for later, but I will leave that to do for this option. Use bit. Yeah. Yeah, I've read this through. There's this above. Okay, and now I have it here. What else is there? Edit tile. Okay. That's fine. This. Controls. Okay, there is controls on pass fields edit. I think I have to use something like that here. And now, what about these controls? Controls on default tile colors edit. It's a separate. Okay, it's a completely separate file. Oh, so I think this is wrong because this will never be there. Yes, this is not for this mode. Okay. Controls on, how I call it? On default tile colors. Controls on default tile color edit, yes. Controls on default tile colors edit, and controls on pass field, controls on pass. Let's include it. Okay. Controls on tile edit. And color edit. Okay, and here of course I don't need L, I don't need S. There will be no loading and saving. Toggle set the default column. And here I will just change the border for now. Back to this will be D to exit from edit pass field. This will be exit from set default tile color mode, or edit default tile color mode. Oh, that's okay. It's more set than edit. Also, this one is here, so maybe actually there is no need to call it another place. No need to return here. I have seen this call once. Yeah, let's check it out, just for the sake of sanity. Default tile, set default tile color. Yeah. On default or set default, doesn't matter. Maybe it is control on. Controls on. Setting, or maybe settings, setting default tile color. On default tile color edit. I don't know. Okay, so that will be it, and now I have to call this controls on default colors, default color edit. Exactly. Okay, let's try to compile it. I don't think it's going to compile, but let's see. Okay, controls on pass fields edit. Too far. Okay, that's funny. Duplicate. That color. That color. Pointers. Okay. Yeah, that would be needed. And now this one doesn't exist? Why? Not defined symbol. Wow. What I did wrong? Did I rename the file? What source tree says? Let's check in Git what I changed. That's fine. What's that? Okay, there's some spacing. Yeah, this one. Discard. This one should be there. Why is it not? Okay. And now it's just the problem with the branch. Cursor, control. Inline 191. Cursor, control. Okay, so that's the one. Maybe I have to do it now to make this flags working. Okay, so in order to do it I have to do flags, and of course then it's a limit of having up to 16 flags, I think, which is still a lot. Okay, that's cool. So I can change these numbers here, that will not break anything, but now this will be the logic I have to do. So I was thinking about doing, can I do plus or? Actually, I don't know, but I think I can do like this. So if it's like that, and there would be bit, so I have to actually load this bit, and I never know if it's BAQ or BNA. I think it's opposite. But this is really easy to check, because he's not going to work with B. I'm even practically sure it should be BNA. Let's see. BNA. Hopefully it will work. BNA. BNA. Okay. So now I should have the branch limit, because it's less bytes, so this works. Compiles. Okay, the cursor doesn't move, so I guess it wasn't BEQ. Actually, yeah. Okay, so maybe that was BEQ. Actually, it's a nice storm behind the window, but we probably cannot hear the rain. Actually, probably stopped the rain, but it's a really nice gloomy weather. Okay, it doesn't work at all. How was it in the past? If right, move cursor. Oh, wait. I did something really wrong here. Up on the screen. like this. Move cursor left, yeah? Why is this up everywhere? I thought I didn't copy the last line. Okay, let's try again. Now it doesn't work. Now I think it's near B and A. Let's try with the cursor down only here. Yeah, okay. So it's B and A, and then I just use cursor up, and it was not able to go up because, of course, that was the end of the level. Okay. So this should work, and also I should be able to get into the mode, the default mode. Yes, okay, I can change the colors. I cannot exit this mode, I see. By pressing D, can I exit by escaping? Yes, I can. So it's just the problem with D letter. I think I know what I did wrong. This, and then the, oh, I did it correctly. So this one should work. Because it's 2-2. Okay, so if this one works, then let's do a flashing of the whole borders. Okay, it works. So I think it exits, but then something else happens, and then it is in the state, I guess. Like maybe it tries to get again, I don't know. Okay, let's follow what I did for F key and then see if I miss something. Like this, for example. Yeah, this quick fix. Cześć, game saved. Tak. Rzeczywiście, no. Tutaj chodzi troszkę o co innego, mianowicie pokażę. Zaprezentuję to w swojej okazałości. Mianowicie na przykład wczytam sobie planszę 200 i to są tile, które zrobiłem, ale teraz możesz mieć na przykład noc. I o to mi chodzi, że jak sobie na przykład zmieniam, że sobie na przykład chcę wrzucić studnię, no tutaj, cyk, wtedy ona się ustawi, dlatego w tym miejscu z tymi kolorami, nie? To są settingi, które są defaultowe, czyli jak to jest po polsku, Jezus. Domyślne? Chyba tak. W każdym razie jest opcja, że można sobie to pozmieniać. Można sobie na przykład kolorki wrzucić kompletnie inne. Czasami tak robię. Jest tutaj parę trików nawet takich, że wykorzystuję inne tile. No, tutaj tylko muszę... To jest inny task, który zrobiłem, tylko nie wszystkie tile wyczyściłem. No, na przykład teraz mam fioletowy, nie? Traktor Sentedes. Teraz dokończyłbym tylko tą funkcjonalność i myślę, że może udałoby nam się pogadać za nie wiem, pół godzinki. Jeżeli to gra, to daj znać. W każdym razie tutaj mogę ustawić te kolory i to, co chciałem zrobić, to ustawić, żeby te kolory były, żeby można było je zresetować, bo na przykład teraz jakbym wczytał planszę nocną i tu byłaby ta studnia, to ona wtedy będzie miała inne kolory. Tu są zresztą pomieszane te kolory, tak jak tutaj. I chciałbym właśnie dzięki tej opcji D zmienić tylko te na które sobie tu wczytałem z tej palety, z tych kolorów tutaj, które mam teraz po prawej. Więc to nie jest trudny task. Jestem już w połowie tego, bo już mam ten screen mode. Teraz muszę tylko zrobić tak, żeby te kolory z tego banku, które nie wiem gdzie on dokładnie jest, przekopiowały mi się na level. Ok, czyli czyli to jest D. A, i teraz naciskam Enter i tu właśnie chciałem zrobić switch to pass fill screen. Tu chciałem zrobić po prostu to, co pass field. Trochę dziwnie, dlaczego się tak nazywa? No właśnie. Zero, one. File operate, to jest ciekawe. Co to robi? Password screen. Ok. File operate. Okay. System here. File operate on that on file color screen. Okay. File operate. Return key. Active. Controls. Gdzie to było? Ok, i teraz ważne, czy to działa. To operate muszę mieć najwyższy. Zawieźmy tu program. Zobaczymy, czy to działa. Działa. Ok. Teraz muszę czytać to. I have to copy it from the bank. I don't know where is this bank. This is the hardest part. Do I have readme for... I think I have it in level memory. Yes. It's active. Color map, I think that's the one. Or something like this. Colors map. Square. Duplicate tile on tile skin. That's what's missing. Maybe I have a function for that. Set color. For example, display tile colors. Display tile on tile screen. Tile bitmap. Tile on level screen. Set color pointers. Green destination. Position. I think that would be nice to do this. Okay, let's check what is the value here. Let's actually I don't know if I have it set up, so maybe no breakpoints, but this yeah. Just for me to understand. Oh, tile operate. But this is not the one. I wanted to do it not here. But here. Okay. Okay. So this is tile position, for example, 9. D. And the assembler says it's 9. Okay, so that's correct. So then based on this I can say that I will put the color pointers to what? Oh no, this is wrong. Oh, this is my destination, but not source. No, this is good. Now, where is this one? Can I use it? Destination. Oh yeah, set. Maybe I can actually. Maybe I can actually use the display tile. But it's going to be always the tile. I'm just changing the color of the tile. So the tile is already there. I could say maybe display tile on not tile screen, on level screen. This is what I need. Do I have a function like that? Of course I have. So A is source tile and this is destination. So source, destination is A. So this is my destination. No, my destination is A, I think. And what is the X? It's a source. I have to know the source. Oh, so from A I can take. I have to take only the level map, is it? Level map X, I think. Then I will have a tile ID, which I already have actually. So this is tile ID 3. 3, yes, A is 3. Not sure if I need this though. Maybe I have a function for that. Oh, this is a bug. Refresh tile on lower screen. Maybe I could use this function. This looks like fun. Let's experiment. refresh tile on level screen. I wonder if it can just do the magic. It's just the Y, not X. Okay, let's see. Fun times. So okay, so this is wrong. Let's say D. No. I want to have this colors actually. It doesn't refreshes. Nothing happened. Maybe it refreshed, but I don't think so. Okay. No, it doesn't do it. Yeah, it's after having this, I will be able to make it working with for a different day of night, dawn, dusk, with different colors. So that's the plan. Then I can build the whole symmetry very easily, but this doesn't work for some reason. Refresh tile on level screen. What is this? No, to return there, but I didn't when it goes. Set midnight pointer, set display. I would like to reuse this, but it doesn't seem to work. This functionality works, yeah? I'm Bartosz. I'm Bartosz. That's my name. Okay, so it doesn't. It goes there, but it doesn't update anything. I don't know how this refresh tile on level screen really works. No, it doesn't really do what I want. Is this actually used? Yeah, in many places. Okay. And when it says the color, oh, maybe I have to set up. Yeah, I think I have to set up pointers first. Set color. Yeah, this is the screen destination. which only leads me to one thing, that this function should at least tell me that I have to set up something before. Okay, so refresh title once again. I think this needs a comment. I still don't know if it's true, but pointers have to be set beforehand, and then which pointers? Let's see. Maybe here we don't need to do it. Here. Yeah, that's the one I'm thinking about, color pointers. No, it actually does it. Display tile on level screen. Already too many files open. Oh, refresh. Okay, this is a refresh. This is just to, I don't know actually. Display tile on the screen. Let's see this one. But yeah, for the refresh. And actually set it. This is needed. Let's keep it like that. Display. Like this needs source tile and destination. X is source. Maybe you can do it tomorrow, because I want to really finish this today. So if it's not a problem for you, I also don't know how it's going to work. So maybe let's have some chat before, because I'm really not sure how we can make this collab. Okay. So I should finish that in what I said, half an hour. So I think I still need some time because it doesn't go well. I need to think a little bit, so yeah, I should be ready soon. So if you're going to be here, let's say 10 p.m, then let's do it. I mean, let's have a chat on Discord. So the X is my destination. But also, if I do level map, then I have source tile. Just that I have to swap this here, and then do something like this, I think. And then let's see if it's going to work. Okay, cool. Thanks. Let's do it. Okay, it does something. It does it wrong, but something is happening. Okay. And maybe I did something wrong here. So get cursor on level screen. Returns A. In A, it returns the. Oh. Oh yeah, of course. Okay, colors are good. I think it works actually. Because I don't think... No, it doesn't. Okay, something is still off. Why doesn't pick up these colors? I want these colors to be here as default. Jesus, why they are so wrong? That's fun. Okay, I don't see any pattern why it's happening like this. So I think I'm doing something still. X is the source style. So let's check maybe what is the value here. Can I actually make a breakpoint? Or do I need to do something special? I don't remember. Okay, it doesn't break. Color theory tip. If you want to create shadows, pick the opposite color from the palette. Palette. Opposite color. What do you mean by opposite color? Okay. Okay, let's see what's in the accumulator. If I go here, I want to see... Say here I want to see 98. $62 in hex. This is all the effort for this game. 62 in the decimal is 98. So this works, okay. This works. So in X I have source style ID. And in A I want to have destination. So everything is fine. It just doesn't work. But this is perfect code. Cannot be better than this. Primary color likes. Yeah, I cannot do this actually. You don't know how this works in Commodore 64. I mean, I could do it, but the problem is that in the one square I can only have two colors. Look at this. I have, this is one square because this tile is created from 4 squares. So this is square 1. I will put different color. This is why this doesn't work well. Background. Okay, it works. Background. Okay, let's do like this. Background. Maybe better colors. Green. Okay, this. Okay, so you have 4 squares, but then you can only change in each square. You can only change 2 colors. I cannot add another third color. This is how this mode works. So what you're saying is reverse primary color. So let's say that everything is green, and then I can do foreground green. And if I want to create shadow, how would I do it? I don't know exactly what you mean by swapping. So you see, I change the squares at the bottom. That's why I'm most of the time if I create shadow, I just do this. So this is like a shadow of the grass, let's say. Shadow of the beast, shadow of the grass. Okay. So this I can do, sort of, and then I can put it here. But if I want to edit it differently, then yeah, I don't know really. How could I do it? Yeah, so I think I'm doing it. Like if you see this for dusk, yeah, maybe grass is not in this color, but I use some color for water. And if you see night, then I use this like shadow here, for example. But yeah, that's simply as that, I guess. Like for example here, I would like to do some shadow. Maybe actually I should, because I can. Yeah, I could improve it slightly, I guess. Oh, I think it is actually. Yeah, there is a shadow for day. So I use this for day. So for night. Yeah, of course, I know I didn't create a shadow for night. Because it's night, yeah, so there shouldn't be that much of a shadow. However, there can be shadow from the moon. So then I can even use this tile already. So I could say, yeah, it's not this color. I still need to do. I could do like this, yeah, for example. Then I have like a black, but I didn't want to use black because it's too black. Maybe I could use like a brown, but then it's too. Sometimes it's hard to find a. So the graphic is really readable. So I think I just decided to use blue here. Yeah, I could add some shadows. Maybe I need some reworks, but sometimes it's just also like it makes it different when you have shadow when you want. So it's slightly different graphic. I could do something like that, I guess. Maybe that could also look good. But yeah, I'm not really convinced. I would like to have something slightly darker than this gray. So I think that's why I decided that for everything for dusk I use this gray, but then it looks good. Why this one doesn't work though? What is this? Display tile on level screen. You don't see, but I'm actually now debugging. A is 0, okay. Tile position, yeah, I don't like this level because everything goes one after another. This is more, I can see more here, like it's tile ID is already 232. I can test it simpler. Let's check. Are there any lower tiles? I don't have to do this math. Okay, I will do this math anyway. So let's say this cross. So at position 27 I have tile ID 252. So 27 in hex will be 1B and 252 in hex will be FC. So now let's see if I will press enter. Let's see what else what is the value? A is 1B, so that's perfect because that's the destination tile position on level screen. And in X I have FC, which is exactly 252. So I should see this, but it doesn't work. Oh, no, it's okay, yeah. Or maybe this documentation is wrong, because I don't see any other reason why it doesn't work. Ah, it's X. It's X actually. So why from where did I, no, X, okay. This is in Y. Yeah, because I have to have it there. But this should work. Once again, because I'm really not sure what's happening here. Okay. Hey is 27. X is FC. A source is 252 and displayed on a destination tile position level screen. That's perfect. It's exactly what it should be. X is a source tile ID. And then this one should copy everything. Now why this one is here? Do I need to set it up though? That would be stupid. Let's try it anyway. A needs to be there, so my source is still X. And I have to do it, of course, somewhere here. Okay, if this works, then the function below is really stupid because it needs to have this set it up, so I don't know why it's like this. Okay. Oh, it doesn't work actually. Should take these colors. This is crazy. But yeah, it changed the colors, I think. X is the... This is tough. Indeed, I have to load this. The DA, this one goes to X. Yes. And then transfer Y to A. Yes, I actually do the same. But it works for the regular positions. There's a bug, okay, that's fine. And if I will see a set, let's say something like this. And don't do this. Is it going to be the same color? Yes. Okay. So it really gets it from set color. Okay. At least this one I know. Yeah, if someone wants to do a 3D game, that would be probably really funny. But I wonder how battles would be resolved. The combats. Will it be like in Final Fantasy 7 or later, or what it is? Okay, so now I see that these colors are not correctly loaded. If this is solved, then everything is solved. But why they are not correctly done? Oh. Oh, this is LDI. Tile position. I think it's because this is actually done differently. It's not colors map square. Not this? So then what? What is this? Yeah, this is not that, because this is the level. And I need to get the default colors. Default something. Exactly. Default. I knew about it before, but I was like, yeah, probably it's something different because it's just there, yeah? But it's actually not this. Okay, let's try this and see if this actually fixes it. To night, and now let's... Yeah, it works, I think. Because I have date, yeah, that's perfect. Haha, it works. that was just the missing bit. So now I can load different palette, like for example dusk. Yeah, the only thing that now my colors will change also, so I would need to save it. But now I can just do default, and it will default me to this. The same here. It's nice because I can actually use it simpler. Then I can edit here, for example, and I can say that the background is blue. Yeah. Oh, actually, this doesn't work because it should copy this here, but when I edit, it's a different color. Yeah, okay, so this one also doesn't work. Why is it the case? Because I'm just setting it on the... okay, I'm just setting it, but I'm not setting the colors on the level map. I'm just displaying it. So that's other thing I have to do. So then I probably could use refresh instead of display, but only if I copy this actually to memory location. Okay, so let's try this variant. Yeah, because refresh actually wanted to... Why is the one? The refresh was actually reading from the memory, but memory didn't change. I just changed how it's displayed. Okay. Tough. So that's the one, let's say. But how to set this before? I think it's even easier than that. I should just do LDA from the square. X is of course this. And I should just copy this to level map colors. What is there? Actually, I don't know. This one, yeah? Exactly. This by why? I think. And just do it for everything. 2, 3, 4. So I changed the memory, and now I can refresh. So when I refresh, it should, I think, should also update the memory. Maybe not. Okay, I think it works. And if I load different palette, what happens? Yes, this is even better. I have take dusk. This is my tree, and now if I do default, exactly. Okay, so that was even easier. Cross will be pink. Nice. This is awesome. Okay. I think this works, and then I can go back from D, and then I can do other stuff. Okay. So finally, this is what I should do in the first place. Taking some time to remember how it's really done. But now it's okay. Now this one I think I don't need. I can do just refresh. And I can return from here. No need to return back and go back again. all this, that. Okay, and let's see if it works. If it works, then clean up and pushing. Yes, I do graphics myself. What would you do when you could use a 256 colors color palette? It's too much colors. No, it's okay. 64 colors I used on Amiga, and that was quite a lot. I don't like when there are too many colors, to be honest. Most of the time you just use a few if you want to have like a kind of nice vibe. But I think if I would have more colors, there's also like a half bright you can do. There are some palettes, and that was on Amiga, that they actually are technically the same color, but it's a half of a color. So it's a half dark tone. So maybe I would create more shadows and stuff like this. That could be actually fun. Yeah, I don't know. I like when there is a limit of colors. Maybe I would like to have a few colors here, just to have something in between colors. Sometimes I'm struggling with it, but I think that's fun actually. Like when I work on making the fence here, which you cannot see, I will maybe actually I want to load the night, because default color for fence, I think I fixed them. Yes, I fixed them. So they are like this one for night. But yeah, for some, I had a lot of problems with fence. I would like to have some other colors. Anyway, let me push it. Maybe I will fix this palette for cemetery locations. That would be nice to have. Okay, and the flux work, that's also really cool. Basic code. Tile operate on set default tile color screen. So that's my magic function. It's actually cool. This one was just on spacing. F key, D, active, D. Okay, so this goes in. Yes. Yes. Variables. Yes. Color screen. Yes. Constants. This is for the game, so no. And here I think I copied too much. Maybe I have to clean up something. Shift, left, right. We press D, return. Yeah, this is a good question. Display current tile information. Because this happens on here, for example. I have it already. So let's see if this changes anything. So let's see RTS, and let's see if the tile info changes D. Yeah, exactly, it doesn't change indeed. Okay, so I guess it's needed, but then I have it also in the other place. Maybe it actually doesn't work in other place. This, because this is what I did, yeah? Controls finished. Oh, what it does? Ah, I don't think this actually even it's executed. Yeah, exactly. Let's see. Maybe that's actually because I have a jump there, so I am already not going to get back here at all. Which probably I should do. No, jumps to controls finished, so it should actually do it. Okay, so this works. So why this code is not executed? Let's see this. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't go here actually. Okay, why? Because it's in the D mode. Ah. Okay, I got it. This is for a completely different case. So this is when it's actually not in this mode. So I think I'm safe. Okay. So this is needed, and that's all. Okay. So this is not needed exactly. And here this goes in. Nice. And I think this one contains this bullshit which I completely don't need. Or maybe maybe this function should be here. Render switch. Let's see, maybe that would be better. Close everything because it's too much of stuff. And the one I wanted to open back is something with with tile operate. Exactly. Because here maybe I could, yeah, like do this. Duplicate tile on tile screen. So I can say set default tile on the screen. It actually also doesn't do only, it doesn't do only the color but also the bitmap. So maybe that's okay. Okay, something like this. And then I can just call it and refresh. That's maybe more robust. Let's check for the last time. Everything compiles. Yeah, I used all 4 pages. Each page contains 64 tiles, so of course there are some empty, unused 333. Actually, I have a lot. Maybe I used half of it. So then once I exceeded this limit, then I have to introduce bank switching for tiles. So I already have a few places in the code to support it, but it's going to be a real pain because I didn't think about it before. And now I'm actually regretting it slightly, but it's only because I actually didn't didn't design this game with tiles in the mind. Initially this game was actually using bitmap graphic only, no tiles, but then I decided to go with tiles, which is of course better for space. Okay. So this works. The only thing is that when I'm in this mode, I would like to know actually that in this mode, when I'm in the file mode, F mode, then I know that I'm F mode, but in D, I don't know that I'm D. So maybe I could create a different, that's actually a good idea. The sprite could be not this, but maybe like a default color or something. That would be actually cool. Repository. No, projects, Meonlawel, Meonlawel. Design, yeah. So I have this sprite. Design for level editor, sprites. Maybe I could do this animation with like default. I could add more. I don't know, it's going to be that hard to do. Or maybe I could swap one of them to like default, like not the first one. Okay, let's maybe do it like this. Then maybe here I could do something like a copy. What's the copy sign? Let's check depend. Depend? No, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Personal paint, Amiga. I wonder what is the copy sign here. I don't remember. Is there? Maybe there is no like an icon for that. Copy icon Amiga. Well, Amiga because Amiga, of course. I need some inspiration. Okay, this needs to go anyway. Because this works. Constant, no. This, okay. Okay. I think as the part of this task, I also wanted to see to auto adjust all tile colors to default colors for this daytime. I don't understand this one. Choose tile. Use A to auto adjust all tile colors to default colors for this daytime. Ah, okay, so this is something I want to do for all tiles also. Bank switching would what we do. You're asking what does bank switching does for the game. File will be bigger because of course I can fit more. But I need to provide some code that will not only check the tile ID, but also in which bank is that. Yeah, so it's technically not one single value check, but two value checks. So I can do something smart about it, but I still have to do operation on value bigger than 255, because in 8-bit machines 1 byte takes 255 bytes. So I already have counting from 0, I have 256 tiles, and if I want to expand it, then I have to introduce another byte. Then it's 16-bit. And for performance, of course, it will be slower slightly, but I did it with having that in mind that it might be slower. So actually rendering the level screen, it's already done the way I did it for the classic old way when I did it for the disk version, that it actually loses like gradually. So it's actually not going to change the performance really. Because I wouldn't be able to load this level in one go anyway. Okay, so now I'll try to make this icon, copy icon, but also I need to do this A option to copy everything by default. So for copy, maybe I could use, I have already copy, but it's like a color copy. Maybe, maybe I could use this, but it would be nice to use something slightly different. Color copy. Cannot fit color here, it's too big word. C-O-L-O-R. Oh, maybe I will. Yeah. Color. Oh, this is terrible. Color. Color. Copy. Yeah, I thought about BiteMapper. That's a good idea actually. That was here, yeah? Yeah, actually I've seen it. Yeah, you're right. Personal paint. Exactly this one. Yeah, that's actually the icon I wanted to use. I was looking for this icon and I've seen this paint bucket. This one. Pretty cool icon. So something like I could also do like paint here. Actually, that's okay. And then how should I do it like this? It's fun. To be honest, I'm okay with this. Fuck it. Yeah, it looks a little bit weird. I remember when I was trying to learn this program. It was a little bit weird. And that's fine. Maybe I should do some gradient. It would be crazy. I don't know if it's going to be readable though. I can always make it better later, yeah? Design, okay, where is this binaries? Yes, binary sprites. And also save as design sprites, okay. Czekaj. Czekaj. Okay. Okay, so maybe I will just do this icon. Yes, it was my wife actually in the background. I didn't tell her that I'm on the stream, and she was like, "Oh, what are you doing here? You're talking to yourself." Terrible. Now this is also nice because I could probably use this copy mode. Square mode. Okay, let's try to use this. First of all, let's see if this sprite works. I don't know which sprite is that, but we'll learn it quickly. No. 3 plus 10. 3. 12. Oh. So, plus 9. That was close. Okay, this icon is actually there. So that would be something like that. Nah, it's not perfect, but it's okay. Yeah, I thought to myself. So I don't have to extend the sprite, this works, and now I only have to do... Okay, this trick is not going to work anymore. Yeah. Mode. This is primitive, but it does the job. 12. Yeah, I can use actually this byte here. Skip next 2 bytes intentionally. This is the trick. So the next 2 bytes are not going to be read when you do this. It's a really funny trick. And then I just need to do this. And there are so many modes. Oh, actually I don't need this. This is bullshit. I can check the active screen and compare with active. What was it? Default. I don't remember. Constant. This one. Plug. Yeah, this one. So when it's this mode, Then I can say, just use this. Will be much clever. Okay, let's see. So this is already wrong. Oh yeah, because it's BNA here. Okay. Copy. Okay, copy is broken. No, nothing works. Okay. Oh yeah, this is wrong as well. Plus plus. Yeah, we nice to have something smarter here. Jump. Maybe I can actually make it really simple, like this. No, these stupid tricks. But I don't want to go here. Okay, so I can do even something even smarter. I can extract it. And now maybe even like this. And then I can just say, do it. And here I can exit. Exactly. It's a really nice design, I think. And I think it should work. Thank you for likes. I only like it when you really mean it. I also have one person who's notoriously giving me dislikes. I think it's one person. Maybe it's actually multiple persons. I have one dislike in some videos, and in some I don't. I wonder who is this person and what I can do better to satisfy this person or this group. Okay, still doesn't work because I think I have to do big. No. This should work actually. I think. If it's active default tile color screen, then should do 12. Yeah, 12. And why does it work? That's the situation, yeah? It goes here. It doesn't go here. Okay, now it goes, and if I do D, I'm in the default mode. Yes, it does it there. So why the sprite icon doesn't change? Square mode. It's not fully a cursor, but should still do it. If it's a square mode, is it? No, it's not, because it was changing the color. Active screen. Maybe let's change the border to the color which is the active screen. D. It's 8, exactly. So it's 8. When it's not 8, so then another test, just to change the border when it's the active screen or default color. Yeah, it should change the sprite now. But it doesn't. What I did wrong? Yeah, maybe, or maybe from someone else who wants to do RPG game. I don't think so. Now I'm really confused because it should work. Let's do it like this. It doesn't change this sprite. That's weird because it was changing it. Come on, so silly. This is so silly. I don't know why it doesn't work. Because this is oh yeah, I know. No, I don't. This is interesting. Do I need to do it as well? Pass field screen sprite pointer +1. Pass field. Oh. This is interesting actually. Why is it different? What is this? Because I think it was the same actually. Level screen. Yeah. Because screen is moved. Oh, the sprite pointers have that offset. Yeah, I know, but... Oh. Really? That's interesting. Okay. Is it? I thought it's the same mode. Okay, that was the problem. Oh. Okay, so this is not perfect, but I think it's fine. Okay, cool. And so everything it's a mnemonic and they have different meanings. So for example, CPX will compare what's in the X register with the value, and then BNA will do jump or not. It depends if it's true or not. So it's not really a function, it's a machine. Actually, I don't know how to call it. I think is the best for that. Mnemonic instruction. Because normally it's a machine language, it's translated to a number. It's an instruction, that's how it's called technically. So it's a mnemonic. It's like something which is used in make it more readable for people, I guess. So you don't have to write in numbers. Okay, so this is this for sure. Not really. This is not really sprite controller. This is level cursor. This is plus 12. It's here, and then this is plus 2. I think plus 3. Yes. So this is copy, right? This is default bucket, right? This is special sprite. Yeah, maybe special is not the best word, but you got the idea. Okay. Default tile color mode, BiteMapper. Okay. So now, now let's test it actually. So for example, if I will load let's try it one level for now. Do the night. I don't know if I will use actually the all tiles mode, because it's not the best, I think, to use. Yeah, this one. It's not the best to use because some of the colors are different. I already noticed that on the water level. Okay, so of course you have to do it manually here, but not everywhere, come on. Part of it is actually good. It's still fine. If I will really need this A letter to change all, I will just work on that. This is already perfect for me. Okay, everything looks good. Okay, and then save. I have to exit from this mode. Save. And then I have a question: location or tile. So location. Okay, so let's load day. Let's load night again. Perfect. So this is what I wanted to achieve. So now let's do the same for dusk. Load color dusk. I also have to do it here, which is perfect because I can use different palettes if I want. Default palettes. Oh, yeah, exactly. This is what I mean. This one actually has a wrong default color, I think. Yeah. No, actually it has a good default color. It's just that I wanted to have a different color. So that's actually good. Yeah, this A button would make a more mess. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. The tree. This is so great. Okay, and then I use the fence like that. Not that much work. Okay. At the first glance it looks perfect. Safe location. And down the same. Okay. And here I think we might need more work. Maybe not. It's actually the trees and the fence. Very relaxing work, I have to tell. Okay, grass will stay, and this, and that, and this, and that. And this one was changed. I changed the fence, that's why I needed to update the colors. Okay. Save location. So I have all 4 locations for 200, so now let's test it with the game. I don't know where I start the game, but let's boot it and see. Yeah, it's sort of a function. You can think about it like this. Customizable. No, they are not customizable. Actually, technically yes, but no, because for example, if you see LDA, so you have LDA that which accepts one parameter like this, or 16-bit parameter, kind of, but it's a different instruction technically, or with an offset. But it's a different opcode, which means that it's a different machine code. But yeah, when you write it, it's like LDA, and technically you can tell it's a different function. The thing is that functions, they will return a value, and this one is not functional programming. So you will load it to accumulator, or when you want to save something in memory, like STA, you will already save it there in this memory location. So you have an access to memory location and to load data from and to save from. So this is different from functional programming in this such term. Okay, so this is day. Oh, this doesn't work actually. Oh no, because this is not the first level, I think. Oh yeah, I did more levels here, okay. Yeah, we need to fix all of them, of course. So this is, yeah, it works. Nice. Okay, so then I will need to update these palettes. And maybe fix colors for level 200. Maybe I can do one more because it's so nice. Let's load 201 day. This is cool. Dusk. This is completely destroyed. Can I do this? I can. There is this house. Yeah, the grass needs to be different. It's fine. Okay, it's not easy job, but it's simpler than putting all that colors manually. Here, this. There's another grass. And the house itself has also nice colors. It will be a different house in the end. It will be a morgue or something like this. Okay, so all colors except grass are correct. Okay. This is tile 61. I think we can copy it here or there. 0. No, this is tile ID 0. Okay, so I can copy it here, here, and this one is different. This is 11. So I will just. And this one has twisted colors. I would need to fix that. Okay. Actually, this is stupid. Why this grass is next to the cross? It's too close, but that's fine. Save. Location. Okay. I'm too exhausted to do the whole thing. So I will finish for today. But let's check if this task works. So yes, it works. Okay, that was quick. I would need to fix this one, but this is for later. So yeah. And this is done. So now I can focus on finishing the cemetery location. Okay, so that's all for now. The game works well. And let's see the animation of the grass once again, because it's so cool. Okay, I spent 2 hours and 40 minutes doing this feature. I thought I would be faster. Actually less, because I already started to also update the level, but yeah, that's not bad. 2 hours of having such functionality and having also good time with you, Milo. But yeah, if you want to have a chat, so let's jump now. I'll finish this. Once again, this is the animation here. Didn't need to go anymore. And now I have a fight. I need to make this fight more interesting, so there is another plan. Boom. It doesn't, yeah. Okay, let's kill this guy. He can put me into sleep. So he's actually doing that right now. This is a nightmare paralysis. It's a spell which can will make a character sleep for a few turns. Actually, it is awake. And this is one of the things which I had when I was a kid, and I was awake, but I still was not able to move. It happened to me a few times when I was a kid. So it's really a nightmare. Well, based on my experience. It was really scary. Have you had that? Okay, I killed him. And now let's see if the game crashes when going back. No, it works. Of course, this is for testing what I do now. But also there's rain. This is really cool stuff. I actually didn't show that before. But I also have a rain here, which works like that. Okay, cool. That's all. And it's time to say goodbye and see you around. Thanks for watching, and remember to always give me a thumbs up, no thumbs down. No thumbs down. This is not allowed. And yeah, happy Halloween. It's almost over, but hopefully we'll have some spooky moments, because we all like them. I also reading a Clive Barker book, Weave World. It's a kind of horror. Interesting. So see ya, and see you in the next one. Bye.